Meaning of guarded.
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 Guarded. The term guarded refers to being cautious and circumspect in one's words and actions, often due to a sense of suspicion or distrust towards others. When someone is described as being guarded, it typically means they are reserved and restrained in their interactions, carefully weighing their words and actions before speaking or acting. This can often be seen as a defensive mechanism, employed to protect oneself from potential harm. While being guarded can help keep one safe, it can also make it difficult to form meaningful relationships or connect with others on an emotional level.